Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make yam with goat meat pottage. Please watch this video to the very end and like this video. I'll be using goat meat. I've already washed my goat meat. I have my yam. I'll be using onions, scent leaves, scotch bonnet with habanero pepper, UYAYAK, also known as AIDEN fruit, and garlic, smoked inner fish. You can use any fish of your choice. Bouillon cube and salt. I'll also be using crayfish. First of all, I will go ahead and season my goat meat with salt and onions. I'll add enough water to cook it till it's soft and tender. After cooking my goat meat till it's soft and tender, to another pot, I'll go ahead and add my yam. I pour in my goat meat that is already washed. I add in my smoked inara fish. You can use any smoked fish of your choice. I go in with some chopped onions, enough water to cook my pottage. I go in with my UYAYAK. After adding my UYAYAK, I go in with my scotch bonnet and habanero pepper already blended, bouillon cube. After adding my bouillon cube, I add in my crayfish, blended crayfish, and of course salt to taste. I mix this together. After making sure that I combine it together, I cover it up, guys. Cover it up and allow it to cook. Look at what we have here. My yam with goat meat pottage is well cooked and is almost ready. If you watch this video to this very time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. And after checking, at this point you can check for the taste of your pottage. I checked mine and it's perfectly okay. I'll go ahead and add my scent leaf, which is the last thing I'm adding in this yam goat meat pottage, and I give it a proper stir. And at this point my food is ready. Guys, try this out and let me know in the comment section. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. And to my returning subscribers, I see you all. Thanks for the support. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.